How to download and install Viber on PC and connect it with your mobile. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can download and install Viber on PC and connect it with your mobile. Now to do so, first head into your browser, and once on browser, that search in for Viber. Just simply type in Viber and search for it, and you'll get the first link of Viber and download. Simply click on download here that you can see, and click on download for Windows option here. Now once you do this, your file will get downloaded. Since I have IDM here downloaded on my desktop, it'll ask for confirmation. Simply click on start download and open it up. Once your download happens, open it up and you can see the installation process will start up. If you click on install, simply click on install and your installation will start up quickly right here. Now once your installation sets up, here it'll ask you to install this Avast free antivirus. Simply click on no thanks and do not install it, and here it'll show you this option. You can see use Viber on your computer, open Viber on your phone, and then open menu screen and open the QR code reader. Now what you want to do is, as you can see, I've opened up my Viber on my mobile here. What you want to do is head into the more option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen, and here on more, what you want to do is click on this little QR code option that you can see at the top right corner, and then scan the QR code that has been shown on your PC. And once you do this, your Viber will be connected on your PC or desktop. You can sync your chat history on your mobile and your desktop by simply clicking on sync, and it will ask for approval on your phone as well. Simply click on sync and it will sync. Now I don't have any chats here that can show up, but this way all your chats will get synced and you can connect your mobile or your Viber account both on mobile and desktop on this way. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.